Hi, I'm Roy, and for those of you that have never checked CC on your heads, this is how I do it. Okay, first, clean everything up. Second, I used a piece of Lexan off of one of the race car windows that I had left over, and it's just a clear piece that needs to be able to cover that area like that. You need to set this on here and drill you a hole, because that's where you're going to fill it up with water. You can take any type. You can use gear grease, bearing grease. I'm using petroleum jelly, like Vaseline stuff. You take this and you put it around this edge, like so. And this is to seal that, so you can put water in it. You don't want a lot to get inside there because it'll take away from the cubic centimeters, the cc's. So, but you want to make sure that it goes good all the way around. Just like this. Just like I say, this is what's going to seal it. If a little gets in there, it's not going to kill you. It's okay. Okay, you'll take this, and you want this angled a little bit so that's the high side over here. That way the water will stay in it. You want to put that down just like that. You see how you push this in? You see how that seals all the way around? Like so. Now, you want to take a syringe. This one goes up to 10, as you can see. Okay, I was showing you. These are 10 cc ones, syringes. So you want to be sure you put the plug in so it'll hold water, otherwise this doesn't work. There's 10. This one is already at 10. There's 20. Now when you fill these up, you want to get the air out of it and take this up to 10. Right there. See that? And there's no air. Okay. $30. Make sure there's no air. Go back to 10. Here's 40. These heads, these are RHS heads for small block Ford 347. Stock they were 62. We've had them rebuilt and have to have them straightened up, so we had to shave them a little. Go back to 10. Let's make 50. Okay. We'll go ahead and do 10 again. Right about there. 50. You'll fill this up until it's full. And here it comes. Right. That's it. Okay, we have 1.5 left from 60. So we are at 58.5 is our combustion chamber on these. These are CC'd at 58.5. What I'll do is check another one to double check, and then we'll see you in a minute. We're going to do the next cylinder. This way we can double check the first reading, which would have been 58.5 because we had 1.5 left over out of 60. And I'm sure my video man will it's my son. He will speed this part up here in a few minutes. Okay. Now we put this back on here. Angle the head, remember, and don't forget the spark plug. You have to angle the head a little bit, and that way it's to the high side, so the water won't run out. See there? And you can see how that like goes right on. There we go. Look at that. That little bit, that's not going to hurt us that much. Okay, we have filled these back up to 10, as you can see. We'll start over. Getting closer. What's us? 50. Ooh, that one's less. That's a... We're gonna have to do another cylinder, guys. This one's showing like right at 0. It's got that. So we're gonna have to do another cylinder to make sure, because that would put us at 60. This one was 58.5, this one was 60. So let's do one more cylinder to make sure we know where we're at. Alright, remember the spark plug. And we have this fed back on here again. All looks good. And we're going to try this one more time. Almost, and there. That one is at almost 1. So we had a 58.5, a 60, and a 59. So round all that out, we're somewhere around 59, give or take. 59 combustion chamber, and that's how it's done. Nothing to it.
Go.
Okay, you guys tune in to the next video, and we're going to be using a Diamond 03-2000 to make a mold or mock-up of the combustion chamber for the pistons we're going to make for this 347. See you later.